Hey, settle down. Stop. What's up, everybody? I got my Munch. Oh my God. We got Puppy Pot and Chill. This is session 142. Munch, come on, stop. I love you too, buddy. I love you too. You feel better now? Are you better now? No, I'm not going to play tug of war with you, bud. No. Ah. All right, if you've seen any of my videos, remember, anything I say is just an opinion. I'm a stoner. Why are you listening to me? You got to be over the age of 21 to smoke if you're going to smoke with me. If you're not over the age of 21 in a state where it's legal, just don't smoke. It's not worth it. So let's just do this. This is, oh my God, it is fucking cold out, everybody. Jesus Christ. It was -7 last night. I went to bed right around 5:30 in the morning, and it was like seven below last night. It was cold. Holy shit. I went out, let him out earlier, and whoo, too cold, too fucking cold. I'm really ready for winter to be over. I really am. But all right, let's take a hit. Munch, Munch, settle down, bud. Isn't that right, buddy? Goofy dog. You're getting big, man. I remember when I first started these things, you just, when I first started doing the Puppy Pot and Chill with him, he was just a little dude. Easily, he's grown twice the size since I've started doing that. Easily. He was just a little runt. All right, I'm going to take another hit. Stop, dude, stop. No, stop. Quit. Stop it. No, I'm still not ready to get you high yet, dummy. You're still too fucking wound up and, stop. Come on. I hope you're having fun. I'm going to take another hit. That's what today I'm not going to bitch about nothing today. I'm just going to get stoned and then sign off. So everybody, if you're out there smoking with me, I hope you're dying with me. Old lungs always hurt. Be over the age of 21, blah, blah, blah. Don't listen to me because I'm a stoner, all that. Hit number 5. I think 3. What do you got on your nose? Oh boy, that hurt. I got me my giant cup of shut the fuck up. Coffee. Oh, good coffee. What do you want? What are you looking at me for? I love you too, buddy. I do. I love you too. Stop. Don't quit licking my face. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. God damn it. Get down. Chill out. Stop. Chill out. Stop. I'll show you. Leave me alone. Goofy dog. I don't want your bone. He keeps bringing me treats because it's a game to him, I think. He brings them to me, drops them on my lap, and then I throw them, and then he goes gets them. And I got his rope here too. Oh, you're gonna play with that instead of the stick? All right, fine. For your bone, fine. Woo! This is good stuff. Oh, dog. All right, I'm going to take another hit. All right, look, I'm high. Whew. Oh, Smoking Blue Dream. I think there's actually one more hit left in here. I didn't load a big bowl. Yeah, there's like one more hit. I'm going to do the hit, and then I'm going to sign off. Wow, I'm high. All right, I'm gonna sign off. I love everybody. If you got high with me, ooh, I hope you enjoy yourself. Oh, I'm crying. My eyes are watering. Oh, that was a good hit. Wow. Ooh. Have a good day. Be careful. It's slick out. I can't believe we got snow and it's this fucking cold out, but it is. So just be careful. I love everybody. Have a good day. I guess that's it. I'll see everybody later. I love you. Bye.